Hey, this is Spartan reporting to you about swine flu. You may know swine flu because it's very common in the news, the TV, and the radio. So I'm gonna tell you about swine flu, as they not tell about swine flu in the television yet. Swine flu or hog flu or pig flu refers to influenza caused by a strain or influenza virus that usually infect pigs, or as they call swine influenza virus or SIV. Swine flu is common to pigs in Midwestern United States and occasionally in other states like Mexico, Canada, South America, Europe, including United Kingdom, Sweden, Italy, Kenya, mainland, China, Taiwan, Japan, and other parts of the Eastern Asia. Transmission of SIV from pigs to humans not common, when the result of human influenza is called zoonotic. Swine flu people who work with pigs, especially people in intense exposures, are at risk of catching swine flu. However, only 50 such eating porks. Wait, sorry. However, only 50 such transmissions have been recorded since mid 20th century when indication of influenza subtype people became possible. Importantly, the symptoms of swine flu are similar to those of influenza and influenza or like illness in general, namely chills, fever, sore throats, muscle pains, severe headaches, and coughing, weakness, and general discomfort. The 2009 flu outbreak in the human that widely known as swine flu is due to strain influenza subtype H1N1 that was produced by resortment from a strain of human influenza virus, one strain avian influenza virus, and two separate strains of SIVs. The original of this strain is unknown, and the World Organization of Animal Health, or OIE, reports this strain has not been isolated in pigs. It passes the apparent ease of human and to human and an ability attribute to unidentified mutation. This 2009 H1N1, a strain cause of normal symptoms as influenza, fever, cough, and headaches, which sometimes may lead to death. So you might have to put your mask on when you go outside, you go on to school. I know school is already done because of swine flu. So you said when you go to the mall, sorry, excuse me. When you go to the mall, to go to the park, to go to anywhere outside, even in your house, you have to wear your face mask. If you don't, you might be infected with swine flu or influenza H1N1. This is Spartan reporting to you. Goodbye. Please subscribe and rate my videos. Bye.